Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Declutter and Donate video. My name is Jessica if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be decluttering the closet behind me. This is my entryway closet and it is just full of stuff, and I really need to get in there and organize it because I honestly can't even walk in there. There's just so much stuff in there. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare, and Skillshare is an online learning community with inspiring classes for creative and curious people, and I will be sharing more information about Skillshare later on in the video. So this is the closet that I will be decluttering and organizing today. The closet is pretty big. It goes all the way underneath my staircase. First, I'm gonna take you inside and show you what it looks like as of right now. So a lot of this stuff just needs to be put away in other rooms. I have a lot of random stuff in here that doesn't belong in here. And I will also show you everything that I plan to donate to the thrift store later on in the video. So this closet is big and it does offer a lot of storage, but as you can see, you can't even really walk in here or really find anything. And that's actually a scooter over there in the corner and it does not belong in there. So everything just needs to come out. So everything is out of the closet and I have it scattered all over my living room. As you can see, this is a lot of stuff. So I'm going to go through all of it. I'm going to put it into piles, and then I'm going to start putting things back in the closet that I want to keep. So I would love to know how you guys have been doing since everybody's been staying at home. Have you guys been doing decluttering projects as well? What have you guys been doing to keep yourself busy and occupied? So here is my closet. It's fully empty, and I just wanted to do a quick scan so you can kind of see how much room I'm working with. So there is a lot of lint and grass on the floor and the corners here, so I'm just going to quickly vacuum all that up while everything's out of the closet. So the first thing that I put back in the closet were all of the jackets that I wanted to keep, and I made sure I used matching hangers. I think they look a lot neater instead of having a bunch of random ones. So I did that, and then I put all of my scarves and gloves in a Dollar Tree bin up on the top shelf. Then I took my shoe organizer and I placed it on the bottom of the floor, and I put all of my shoes back underneath. And then I also put my husband's racing helmet up on the top shelf as well because that's not going anywhere. I separated all of my photography gear that I don't really use anymore, but I will never get rid of, into this pile here, and I'm going to store it all away into this trunk so I can easily access it if I get into a creative mood and want to start taking pictures again. I'm really interested in taking some of the creative photography classes that Skillshare has to offer. They also offer a wide range of other creative and inspiring classes to explore. Skillshare is less than $10 a month for an annual membership. The first 1,000 of my subscribers that use the link in the description box will get a 2-month free trial of Skillshare's premium membership to try out. I actually just finished up taking a course in interior design. It's called Decorate Like a Boss, and it's by Rose Stanek. It was a really helpful course, and I'm really inspired now to rearrange my living room and experiment with some different furniture layouts and adding more color and texture into the room. So stay tuned because I might be doing a new living room tour on my channel very soon. Skillshare is really something the whole family can benefit from, and I think it's a great investment. My 12-year-old daughter has always been into Japanese animation, and she is currently taking the course by Sensei, and it's called Improve Your Observational Drawing, Anime and Manga. She also wants to explore more of the fine arts classes like watercolor and painting. And here's the project that she finished for the class, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm actually really excited myself to explore the other classes that Skillshare has to offer. Now that I have more time on my hand, I have no excuse not to learn something new. And I even saw some organizing and decluttering classes, so I'm definitely going to check those out. If you are interested in Skillshare, don't forget to check out my special link down in the description box, and make sure you take advantage of that 2-month free trial membership. So over here I have a box that needs to be thrown away, and then this scooter needs to go out into the garage, so I'm going to do that right now. And here is my pile of everything that needs to go back upstairs. Some of this stuff is Hannah's, some of this stuff is my husband's computer stuff, so that is all gonna go upstairs. And finally, this is my donate pile. I have some photography gear, some hula hoops, I have that little collapsible shelf organizer, a purse. So there are 8 jackets total that I'm decluttering and getting rid of. 4 of them are leather jackets and the other 4 are thin, lightweight jackets. So before I show you what the closet looks like now, I just wanted to quickly remind you of what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like now. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and these are the things that we use most often, so I'm glad that I'm able to access them without digging through a bunch of other stuff to find them. And I'm most happy that you can actually see the floor now. So over here on this side of the wall, I have a hat organizer and a key organizer, and then over there is Hannah's book bag and her purse. So my husband is a bit of a jacket collector, and most of the jackets that we got rid of today were his. I think one of them in there was mine, so I'm really happy to have all this extra space. So we have this garage floor epoxy kit, and we really need to do that, so that might be a project that we do here in the next few weeks. And here's what the other side of the closet looks like that runs underneath my staircase. So over here in the corner are a lot of car parts that are in boxes that are my husband's, and then I have some Christmas ornaments in the back, and then I have my very ancient rainbow vacuum cleaner. This thing is a dinosaur, but it still works and it's good for deep cleaning. And then over here on the side of the wall, I have both of my wreaths hanging on the wall here. And the last thing that I did was bag up all of my donations for today. I took them upstairs because I'm storing everything that I'm decluttering from this project in this closet here, so everything can stay together, and I will drop it all off once the thrift stores are open again. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next.